It's officially the 1st of December. I am going to be vlogging the whole month. So that means we can put up our Christmas tree, do advent calendars, and be all Christmassy. It's also summer, but I'm more excited about Christmas. I've had my advent calendar for like 2 months. I'm so excited. I need to find number 1. Ooh. Why won't it come out? There we go. What is it? What is that? Oh, this is so cute. Me and Mum, or just me, are going. Mum's taking me to the gym, and then we're gonna come home, and then we're just gonna have a chill Saturday.
How can I help you?
Hi, can I please get a takeaway order?
Yes, what you like?
A flake,
1 flake, yeah?
a hamburger with a lot,
Yes.
3 potato cakes,
Yes.
a fried dim sim,
Yes.
and minimum chips.
No worries. And no more summer chicken, so you like? No worries.
Yeah.
No worries. Around 10 minutes, please.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. See you later. Bye.
Bye. I just ordered fish and chips for my family. Fish and chips in ages. I'm really excited. I'm going to pick them up really soon. I'll just walk because it's near my house. Yeah, to go pick up fish and chips. And I can see like Christmas lights that's over there. And I'm very excited about it. It's really sunny today. So it's a good... Oh fuck, people are staring at me. It's a really good first day of summer because it's so hot. I'm excited to pick up the fish and chips. Thing in like the world for some reason is, oh my god, there's like there's like magpies. I'm scared I'm gonna get spooked. Oh my god, these birds. Don't kill me. I have the fish and chips, and I also just randomly got this strawberry photo because like I never find these. Aren't they good? Yay! We got our fish and chips. The Christmas decorations are out. Rusty, come on. And I'm so happy. I love Christmas like so much. Like I can't explain it. I know everyone loves Christmas, but I love Christmas. Like this morning I woke up and I saw like everyone's stories and they were like summer, summer, and I was like, I don't even care, to be honest. Like Christmas, literally. Like I don't know, I just love Christmas. I would have my Christmas tree up every day of the year if I could, but I'm not allowed to. Seeing like Christmas decorations up, honestly, is so like, I love it. My mum are having a movie night and watching a Christmas movie. Oh, it changed as I like put it up. That's all our Christmas decorations, so I'm gonna put the Christmas tree there and set it all up. Hi. Are you vlogging right now? I didn't have a lift home from the gym, so Kylie came and picked me up. Well, her dad. Yeah. Thank you. I can drive. What are you doing here? Anytime. Thank you. I was gonna have to walk, and my house is very far.
I just realised, because it takes me 40 minutes to walk to like the normal. So if you had to walk to yours, I would take like an extra.
And I was like to myself, yeah, I'll run it. And I was like, I'm not running.
Run it.
As you just saw, Carly dropped me home, which was super good because it would have taken me like an hour to walk home. But it's okay. I'm putting up the Christmas tree and it's taking for ages because you have to individually put each like branch on. So it takes so long. It really takes so long. You have to like clip in and they like color coordinate and it takes forever. Does it look like weird or something? For some reason I feel like my Christmas tree looks weird. I don't know. We're just gonna go with that. I just finished watching Fantastical Beasts #1 because right now we're on our way to the movies to go watch #2. I literally just finished watching #1 like 3 minutes ago. So that's what we're doing. On the way back, all the Christmas lights will be on. Great. Yay. Pretty excited. And pick up Jade. I'm with Jade and we couldn't decide, so we just got it all. Oh, we don't know them, so I don't really care. We're in the cinema. There is no one here yet. So wait, let's do a haul of our food. So we got salt and vinegar chips,
Coke Zero.
raspberry bullets,
And water.
and Oreo chocolate.
It's day 3 of my advent calendar. It's so cute. Oh, it's Santa.
So we're in dance class. We're doing the absolute most. That was so... We're just in dance class. Ew. We're in dance class doing dance.
Oh yeah, what do you think? I'm sorry. No, I want to go after Lauren. Turn it on. Here. No, it turns on. Like it has a
Yeah,
switch.
so we're working on special effects. Kind of.
Look.
I realized about an hour ago when I was doing up the Christmas tree, I did it wrong. Like I put the wrong branches. Like I put the bottom in the middle and the middle in the bottom. That's why it looked really weird. So I just fixed it and it looks much better. So I'm now gonna decorate it. Aww, that kind of looks cute. Kind of. We have to do the back. I'm gonna show you our Christmas tree. Oh, it looks cute. Okay, that one looks really weird. I think I put that there. Let's move that. Can you see my bum?
Turn it around.
Better?
Yep.
Just finished decorating the train and then... So it's a Thursday night, December 8th, 6th. Me and Mum are going to pick up Carly and Leanne, which is her mum. And we're gonna go into the city to see the Maya windows, get photos of Santa, and what else are we gonna do?
Shop.
And shop. Real fun stuff. So I'm gonna take you along. Carly are in the car, we picked up them, and we're in the city right now. Oh no.
It made me laugh though, like the look on some of their faces when we turned up.
Mum, I'm vlogging.
It was funny. Just hello to him. I had to forcibly go hi for him to speak to me.
Mum, that's so sad, isn't it? That you have to...
It is. Anyway.
We're in a beer garden, getting drinks. Getting water.
Oh yeah.
We're at Betty's Burgers for dinner and we got buzzers for our food. So we're just waiting. I ordered a chicken burger. So did Carly. Oh, so our mums think they picked her. We did. They just gave a 22.
We did.
Like that.
We got free drinks. Woo!
Oh. They
Big fat mama and all.
My face.
They
Yours too?
don't stare at me. Just gave this random guy a hug.
And a kiss. Well, my mum.
Yeah, that was
Went
just
for it.
your mum. We're going to Santa's Magical Kingdom. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Oh, this is pretty. You ready?
Left.
Oh.
Left. Where the door is.
That's right.
Oh.
Open Santa's door.
Hey!
So I'm at Tamika and Indigo's, and Tamika.
We can't open the door.
Right, where are you?
We can't. I guess I was like, the key doesn't work.
The key is jammed.
It's
The key is jammed.
I don't know.
just currently locked out. Not really though, just jammed the key in the door. It's a great time.
Driving.
I just tried vegan nuggets and sausage rolls. They literally taste exactly the same.
They're really good. Vegan life.
Vegan for life. We're walking down the street to get
Cookies, stuff to make cookies because we want to be really festive.
yeah, we're being Christmassy.
Really Christmassy.
So we're hoping
Sounds
our
really
cookies
turn out okay.
turn out good,
Actually, half
so we can eat them. Obviously,
and watch the
Victoria's Secret model while we eat more food. Or
yeah, okay.
yeah.
Let's get
we just bought the whole supermarket.
yeah, kind of a situation,
But we're gonna work with it, and it's gonna be great. So, just lugging like a lot
Wait, we
of
should
shit home. Someone's gonna see me vlogging, and I'm gonna get embarrassed.
like it's so sweet.
Oh shit! We're lugging around massive bags.
Kind of embarrassing, but
Kind of like looks like we just did our family grocery shop.
yeah, literally providing for the family
Yeah.
for the week.
We're gonna make our cookies now.
Yeah.
We're making our cookies now, and we're gonna do them so good.
Can you show me?
You know, it's fine. We're gonna make our festive. Oh, I just hit my belly. And
Truffles. Forgot about them.
oh my god, yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Did it ever get infected?
Yeah.
Shit. You know when you touch it and like you can feel the thing?
Yeah.
That scares me.
Be festive. Yeah. I never know what to say in vlogs so I can make it more exciting.
Yeah.
We're baking. I reckon it tastes vanilla-y.
So, wait, we should probably put vanilla.
Should we?
Let's just show it.
We want vanilla. Oh! We're like chefs. Yay! Rest.
I have no idea.
Do you reckon like now to roll it?
Yeah.
Oh. Good one, take.
I'm just a professional baker, what can I say?
So it's healthy because we added wholemeal flour and
Vegan butter.
vegan butter.
Okay, wait.
And here we have vegan fish fingers and vegan nuggets. Love that. We're waiting for our cookie dough to set.
And yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's really
We're
it.
kind of running on a tight schedule.
Yeah, because
it starts at 9:30.
oh my god, I didn't think of that.
Didn't you? That's what I was thinking.
What time is it?
8:57.
I'm
take it out,
scared.
and then quickly cut them out, and then do it, and then
This is gonna be crazy.
it's gonna be hectic.
What was I gonna say?
I just taught Katie all the things about a
Cameras, because I'm getting a new camera. That's exciting.
camera for
Christmas.
YouTube. Sing day?
Wait, no, I remember. So our cookies are meant to set for 3 hours. So we put them in the freezer and have given them like 30 minutes.
Yeah, because we're smart like that.
Love that. Why are we so cute?
We'll put 2. We'll put 3 in Charlotte.
We are so good. It's the next morning. We're watching Christmas movies.
If it's
We all slept on the couch. Well, I did. We slept down there. Tamika slept there. Being like, just eating our breakfast. So this is gonna be the last day of my vlog because next week I'll start a new one. But today, me and Mum are going to Chadstone to go Christmas shopping. And we only have 2 hours, which is a time crunch. I'm going to head straight to Victoria's Secret because the first Victoria's Secret like full store just opened in Australia and it's here. So I'm gonna go there and we're gonna shop for the Christmas for me.
No.
No? Okay, so we're here now and we're gonna go in. Okay. Oh. I want this to work. Okay. So, we got. Oh. So I just got home. We went to like a Christmas party thing, so I've been out for ages. I kind of bought a lot, but like, treat yourself. I bought these sunglasses. It is crazy how beautiful the sunset is right now. I just got out of the gym and my sister is picking me up. Do you want to say anything?
No.
Okay. And we're gonna go to the supermarket.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we're gonna do some stuff. So we're gonna go to the supermarket and I'm going to try and vlog and get some cool content in the supermarket. Oh, is that still recording?
Yeah.
Oh, arms down.
Cut that out.
Whoopsie! So I suck at life. I forgot to 1, vlog, and 2, they didn't have cookie dough. So I could only get healthy food. This is... Oh. I'm so sad. I really wanted cookie dough, like the already made one. And they didn't have it. They said it's been deleted.